Let us understand the diseases and disorders. There are mainly four types of diseases: infectious diseases, deficiency diseases, hereditary diseases, and physiological diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasites. Deficiency diseases are caused by lack of essential nutrients in the body. Hereditary diseases are caused by genetic mutations. Physiological diseases are caused by problems with the normal functioning of the body's organ and systems. Similarly, let us see what are the types of disorders. Although there are many types of disorders that can affect different parts of body and mind, some examples of disorders include psychological disorders such as personality disorders, mood disorders, anxiety disorders, and eating disorders. Other types of disorders include digestive disorders, disc disorders, and dyslexia kind. Some of these are also classified under lifestyle disorders. Those are could be both on the physiological as well as on the psychological aspect. Lifestyle disorders are non-communicable diseases that are linked with one's lifestyle. They are caused by lack of physical activity, unhealthy eating, alcohol, substance abuse, smoking tobacco, and that these things lead to heart disease, stroke, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and lung. Heart disease symptoms depend on the type of heart disease. Coronary disease is a common heart condition that affects major blood vessels that supply to heart muscles. Cholesterol deposits, which are also called plaques in the heart arteries, are usually the cause of coronary heart disease. The buildup of these plaques is called atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis reduces the blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. Obesity is a medical condition that occurs when a person carries excess weight or body fat that might affect their health. Obesity increases likelihood of developing heartburn, which is also called GERD, gallbladder disease, or liver problems. People with obesity are more likely to have sleep apnea, a potentially serious disorder in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. We would have seen many people in known who are making sounds while sleeping. Obesity increases stress placed on weight-bearing joints in addition to promoting inflammation within the body. These factors may lead to complications such as arthritis. In our next episode, let us continue to identify more lifestyle disorders.